All right, phonics lesson for this week is about the final oo and sound. So we've talked about these in various forms, so we're just going to look at one more, or some other ways we could see that written. So just so you know, the symbol that you'll see is like an upside down E. So that's oo and All right. So in a word like metal, that final AL, it's unaccented, meaning when I say the word metal, how many syllables does it have? Metal, 2. And the first one is the one where I put more of my emphasis. Metal. I don't say metal, right? That's weird. Metal. Okay, so does that final like ul sound? Kind of like we talked about with the LE at the end, like riddle or table. This is another way that we see that sound produced, is with an AL or with an EL, travel. Could be IL, like the month of April. We can see sandal, neutral, label, level, council, tonsil, that ul sound, all right? And the unfortunate part is there's multiple ways to spell it, like you can see A-L-E-L-I-L, but the more familiar with these words we are, the more we can learn how to spell them and then how to pronounce them if we see them. As far as the ER, it doesn't always look like ER, but it's that like dollar, the AR. Or it can be ER, as in spider. Or it can be OR, as in color. And again, I'm not saying spider or dollar, it's the unaccented syllable. I put my emphasis on the first syllable, and then the is unaccented. You also have words like collar, razor, flavor, grammar, silver, flower, all with this sound at the end. And again, the more we read the words, the more familiar we'll be with how to spell them and then how to pronounce new words that might have the same spelling pattern. Make sure on your worksheet that you underline the ul or the okay? You only have to do it on one half of it. And then you also need to read them out loud for a minute and tell me how many words you got. Even if it's just whispering real quietly to yourself, okay? You have a mask on, no one can see your mouth move. So that way you are practicing saying them out loud, not just in your head. Okay, it's a different skill. It's good to be able to have fluency when we read mentally. It's also good to have fluency when we read words out loud. So that is what we are practicing. I'm not going to record a video with me reading them, but if you have a question about what any of the words are, feel free to ask. I'm more than happy to do that. Or use the text-to-speech to click on a word that you might not be familiar with. Okay? So again, we're looking for that ul and the underline, and then read them at least once. You can do it more than once if you want, and write down, I got 20 words, I got 50 words. If you get 100 and there's still more time, go back up to the top and start again so you could get like 120 or whatnot. Good luck. You can do it.